Are you tired of struggling with making payments on a house you don't really want anymore? For many Americans, a deed in lieu may be an excellent alternative to foreclosure. But what is it and how does it work? Join me as I explain what a deed in lieu is and give you some of the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself if it's the right option for you. Hi, I'm Jim Keaveney of the Keaveney Legal Group. We are a New Jersey and Pennsylvania-based law firm that focuses on helping clients fight foreclosure. Many of our clients come to us weary of fighting with the banks and not totally committed to keeping the home that has cost them so much time and energy. For those people, a deed in lieu may be a good option. A deed in lieu is literally giving a bank the deed to the property in lieu of or instead of going through the foreclosure process. This saves the bank time and money of filing a lawsuit, paying attorneys, selling the property auction, and so forth. It also saves the borrower from some of the same headaches, plus it can be a little easier on your credit rating, instead of showing months of delinquency as the foreclosure winds through the court system. Historically, banks were less inclined to accept those offers since it meant that there was no chance that the borrower would bring the account current. It would also usually bar a judgment against the borrower for monetary damages. Fortunately, several recent federal government programs have created incentives to make the process more inviting to lenders and thus easier for borrowers. Of course, a deed in lieu is not for everyone. There are some significant considerations to a deed in lieu. First, it will still show up as a negative mark on your credit. In fact, to qualify for a deed in lieu, you must be on the brink of foreclosure. Second, you will lose your right to the property. You're not selling the house or making any kind of return on your investment. You're simply giving it back to the bank and walking away. There are also likely to be some tax consequences, as the forgiven debt may be counted as income against you. Still, if you are stuck in a home that you no longer want and have no ability or desire to sell it, a deed in lieu may be a solid option to consider. At Keaveney Legal Group, we have helped many clients find options to either avoid foreclosure or to exit a property they no longer wish to own. We would be happy to discuss the circumstances of your situation with you and help you determine the appropriate course of action to suit your goals. For a free, no-obligation consultation, you can email me at jim@keaveneylegalgroup.com or reach us by phone at 1-800-219-0939. I'm Jim Keaveney, and thanks for watching.